Safe and smart online. Today, Maya and her friend Momo are ready for a brand new adventure, not by going outside, but on the internet. Being online is like opening a colorful door to a world full of cartoons, games, family calls, and even amazing art ideas. But just like in a busy city, not every place is safe. Some corners of the online world hide tricky surprises. Maya knows safe choices, like visiting websites her parents allow or watching kids' shows. But clicking on strange pop-ups or chatting with people she doesn't know. This should not be done. Your name, address, phone number, even your school's name, these are personal treasures. They should stay private unless a parent says it's okay. Being online is like talking on the playground. Use kind words, give compliments, and if someone is writing mean comments, you should not be doing the same thing. Instead, tell an adult. Logging out when you are done using any website or app, asking for help if something's confusing, and balancing screen time with playing outside. That's being truly smart online. Today, Maya learned that the internet is a fun place, but only when we explore it safely, keep our secret secret, and spread kindness wherever we go.